Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're doing another Hydro Flask mega unboxing video. Now before I start the unboxing, I'd like to let you guys know about a giveaway that I'm doing in conjunction with Hydro Flask Australia. Now Hydro Flask Australia was good enough to give me one of these to give away to you guys. This is a limited edition Timberline Hydro Flask, 32 ounce in Bonfire. It comes complete with a matching lid and the protective silicone sleeve for down the bottom of your flask. It's full stainless steel construction, and I've already done a video on this, and I'll link that video down below in the description box for you if you'd like to have a look at that. But I'll be giving one of these away over the school holiday, so keep an eye out for that video, which should hopefully be out at Easter time, and we'll be giving this away after the school holiday. So you've got about 2 weeks to enter the giveaway. Now that that's over with, let's have a look at the box that we'll be unboxing today. That's it here. It was sent from Hydro Flask Australia. I've got no idea what's in the box, so let's just open it up. And just to get this done quickly, it's only just a quick look at what's in this box. I'll take one item out at a time and we'll have a quick look at it, and then we'll get the next item out. Okay, there seems to be quite a bit in this box, and there's probably a fair bit of packing material as well, I'd imagine. So let's open it up and get into it. I'll cut this open very carefully. I don't really want to damage anything that might be in there. Okay, there's a number of smaller boxes in there, so let's just put this on the floor and I'll pick up one thing at a time. First up, packing material. I've got no idea what that is. Wow, okay. This looks pretty fancy. Insulated lunchbox, hand wash only. And this is the small size. Okay, it's pretty big for small. I mean, have a look at the size of that. It looks like a grey browny sort of colour. Looks really nice. And look, I'm going to have to do a video on this separately. So that video shouldn't be too far away. Should be up in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. It seems quite sturdy. It's got a little handle up the top there. It's got a zipper that goes all the way around there. And that's about as much as I'll get into it in this video. You'll have to keep an eye out for the review on the insulated lunchbox small. Got the little Hydro Flask logo on there. I like it. Geez, I'd hate to see the big one if that's the small one. It's pretty big. Certainly fit enough in there to feed me. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, an ice pack for the lunchbox, I'm assuming. Hydro Flask ice pack. So I'm guessing you freeze that and put it in your lunchbox to keep your lunch nice and cold. I like it. Looks pretty trendy, doesn't it? So we'll be reviewing that along with the lunchbox, I think. So we'll put that together. Let's see what else is in the box. No idea what's in that. Let's open it up and have a look. Oh, there's a few smaller items in here by the look of it. So we've got no idea what that is. Oh, nice. Have a look at that. I love the quality of this stuff. It looks really, really nice. So this is a Hydro Flask 16 ounce pint, beer pint. So this is 1 pint, 16 ounces, 473 millilitres in black, with the little stainless steel rim at the top. And I'll have to do some testing with this thing as well, just to see how good it is. It feels good. I like this. Okay, let's see what else we've got in this box. Okay, now that is a lid, and I'm guessing it'll fit that. I don't want to pull it all apart yet. No, it doesn't. So that lid is for something else. Let's put that aside safely. Okay, here's something else. This is what the lid is properly for. This is one of their brand new cooler cups. So you can fit your can of drink, like your standard 375ml can of drink, and I believe that fits in there and keeps your drink cold and also protects your hand from the cold can. Yep, it's got a beer cooler cup, 12 ounce, 365ml, and I believe you can also use that as a cup. Also in black, looks really nice. There's a quick illustration on how to use it. We'll certainly be doing some serious testing with this. I've got some really good video ideas on how to test this thing and see how well it works. Oh, hang on. Let's see if the lid fits that roughly. Not sure. I don't think it fits that. So there must be something still in the box that this lid belongs to. Okay, here's another box. Oh geez. Okay, this looks interesting. This looks big. Wow. Okay. This is huge. Okay. Let's have a look. Wow. Okay. 64 ounces in black. Beer growler. Now, wow, how good is this? I'm amazed. That is absolutely amazing. Have a look at that. In black. I think this will take pride of place on my bar. I mean, it's bigger than my head. 1.9 litres, so it's nearly 2 litres of liquid that you can keep in there. They call it a beer growler. I'm sure you can just put water in it if you want to. Pretty certain that will work. Or, I'm guessing you could also put hot liquid in it. Well, it says 24 hours cold, 12 hours hot. Wow, that's amazing. Never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like it. And this one here is the last thing in the box. This is the last box in the box. So let's have a look. Okay, it's got a number of smaller items in there by the look of it. Now, that box had 2 items in it. I'm not sure what they are. I'm actually a little bit confused. Let's see. Oh, that looks fancy. It's a container. It's an insulated container, like a lunch container. I guess you could put yogurt in this, or even hot stuff, I guess. I'll have to look into that a bit more. And it's 12 ounces or 355 mil. So this looks like it'll be a great little container to take some sort of hot lunch, leftovers to work, or some yogurt, berries, anything really, anything you want to keep hot or cold. It's a beautiful colour, and the lid matches the base. It looks really nice. I like that. So I've got a complete lunch kit there by the look of it. Here's another container. I think this one's the same but bigger. Let's get it out without destroying the packaging. Yep, this is the same, but it's bigger. So you've got a bit of a comparison there. This one here is 12 ounces, and this one here is 20 ounces, or 355 mil and 591 mil. It's full stainless steel. I like the colours. It looks really nice. This is like a grey, and this is like a light grey, I guess. So you've got 2 different colours of grey there. This one almost looks white. Actually, it seems to match the colour of my shed. This is like the lighter colour of the walls, and this is like the trim colour. There you go. So it looks like I've got a complete lunch kit here. I definitely won't be going hungry. I've got the 2 containers, the ice brick and the lunchbox. And they sort of all match in the same style of colour. I wonder if these fit in there. Well, I definitely won't be going hungry while I'm travelling around or going to work. There will be some more review videos coming up of all this stuff here. I'll be doing some tests and some reviews and individual videos on all this sort of stuff. Well, I'll probably do a combined video of this lunch stuff, the lunch containers and the lunch bag. Now, don't forget about the giveaway of the Bonfire limited edition Hydro Flask. This is actually my one here, and this is probably one of my favourites. I love this colour. I love the matching lid on it. And it's just the perfect size. There's enough water in there to last you for the day. And one of these will be going to one of my subscribers at the end of the school holidays, or just after the school holidays. Now, definitely make sure that you subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for my giveaway video coming up later this week or over the Easter long weekend. Now, if you've got any questions in relation to any of these products that we've had a look at today, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer all those questions. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the Hydro Flask, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.